Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about how you can resolve Explorer.exe class not registered error. So let's go to the PC and I will guide you how. So now what you need to do, you need to go to the search toolbar and type cmd. Command prompt will open. Go to run as administrator and click on it. This is command prompt here. You need to type the following command, which I will put it in the description so you can copy and paste it. It is regsvr32 space explorer frame, both attached and small letters, .dll, and click enter. After clicking enter, this command should be able to install the DLL file successfully and should resolve this error. With that, I have come to the end of this video. Subscribe to my channel to watch upcoming videos. Take care. Goodbye.